So here we are demonstrating IoT health monitoring system. So here we are monitoring the parameters like temperature of the patient and heart rate and pulse oximeter data from this MAX 30100 sensor and ECG from this AD8232 module. So these three sensors interface to the UNO board at pin numbers like temperature sensor at A1, ECG module at 11 and 10 and A0. So 11 and 10 will inform to the UNO board about the leads connected status. So leads out, leads in. So this data will be informed to the Arduino UNO from the pin number 10 and 11. And A0 is the ECG data. That is the analog data at the A0 pin. And the next we are displaying the so-called status of temperature and pulse oximeter data along with the heart rate that will be displayed on the 16:2 LCD screen, which we have interface at the pin number 227. And continuously we are going to sending the data to the cloud, to the Blynk application as well as to the Thingspeak cloud platform. So using this ESP8266, we have interface at the transmitter pin. That's a pin number 1 of our UNO board. And also if is there any abnormality detected, if the temperature is above 100 degree Fahrenheit or if the heart rate is below 50 beats per minute or above 100 beats per minute, so then there will be a voice announcement from this APR33A3, so which is of audio playback recorder. So which we have already stored voices inside this in the respective pins. Nothing but high temperature, low heart rate and high heart rate and low SpO2. So these are stored inside this API33A3 and these 4 pins are connected at the pin number like 8, 9 and 12, 13 pins of our UNO board. So in our project the main inputs are like temperature, MAX 30100 and ECG, and output modules LCD, ESP8266 and API33A3 voice module. So let us see the demonstration. Before on the kit we need to install application Blynk application and also log into the Thingspeak cloud platform from the given credentials and change the hotspot name to PROJECT 5635 project 5635 without any space, without any capital letter, and password should be 129 and the band should be 2.4 gigahertz. And after configuration done, then on the hotspot, on the data and give the power supply to this system. Then there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen. So if there is no input from the MAX 3000, then the system won't provide the heart rate and SpO2 data. Temperature is normally is getting from this LM35 temperature sensor. So we can see one device is connected in the connected devices, and so from here we can get the live data, right? So the ECG data is coming now. So if you didn't mount this on your body, just paste this glue and mount the electrodes, there will get the exact data. And the heart rate is 0 and next SpO2 is 0 and temperature is 0. And also we are getting the alert notification to the Blynk application for the same. So whenever the voice announcement is coming from this one, we will get the alert notifications. So now if I place the finger on this sensor, so initially it will stabilized. So once the stabilization was done, then so it will be logged at the particular value. So if you move the finger on this module, then the values varies. So one more thing is there, if the system getting into the hang mode, then we should off the power supply to that, and when you on that, the beep should coming out from this API33A3, then only the voices will be announced, right, like that.
Low heart rate, please check. Low heart rate, please check. Low heart rate, please check.
Right. So now we can see it was logged at around 90. And coming to the Thingspeak cloud platform.
Low heart rate, please check.
So we can download this data from channel
Low heart rate,
settings.
please check.
So I'll show you the downloading data. So to download the data import export, download the data. So it will be open in Excel sheet. So there we get the number of entry IDs along with the date and time. And the field 1 is ECG data, field 2 is heart rate, field 3 is SpO2, field 4 is temperature. So now go to channel settings, data import export to download the data, channel settings to clear the channel. In that only do clear channel, no need to go to other options, otherwise it will provide the malfunctioning while execution. Now right, we will get the fresh data.
Low heart rate, please check.
Right, now it is stabilized logged at 84, 84, 89. So the only thing is we should place the finger without any vibration or without any movement on the
Low
sensor.
heart rate,